Hello everyone, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm gonna explain to you how to delete Temu order history. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to the official website of Temu or simply open the app on your phone, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply go to support. So you cannot delete directly order history. So if you go to your account and then go to your orders, you're gonna see here the order history, and you cannot delete them manually. So what you're gonna have to do is simply hover your mouse over support and then simply click on chat with Temu, and then here what you're gonna have to do is simply click on message and then simply tell them that you want to delete your order history. So I want to delete my order history, and basically they're gonna help you with that, because you cannot, as I said earlier, so you cannot delete directly the order history on your account. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.